Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. It is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and it's a long time I don't just turn on my webcam and come talk to you about something, but I have something near and dear to my heart that I need to discuss. Dear people who are trying to look fat people, or fluffy people, or chubby people, or rubenesque people, or full-figured people, or any of these other words that you may be using to describe us, or we may be using to describe ourselves, telling us that we are sexy does not grant you an automatic visa into our underwear. Because some of them act like there is border patrol, like border control, like when you go up America and you try getting in them country, right there by the draws. And as though using the word sexy is going to put a stamp into your passport and get a flying wag and say, open sesame, and all of them something and just open up. Look here. I know it might be coming as a shock to you that you are finding us attractive. Because maybe you have lived under the impression that extra weight is equal to extra ugliness. But let me break it down for you. The extra space that I take up, the extra body mass that I carry, the extra surface area does not make it easier for a donkey to bite me or for a tree to grow in my face. Therefore, I am not predisposed to being uglier than anybody else. So please, my breathing out, like when I look MAGA people, them around the whole gamut of things with them. Them a tell them how them cute. Them a tell them how them sexy. Them a tell them how them intelligent. Them a tell them how them love talk to them, and them have a wonderful sense of humor and how them hilarious. When it come on to fat people, all you're gonna hear is, oh, you look good, you look good, you look good, as if they are shocked by it. Me have a man that look me already, and the man actually look for me and tell me, say, baby, don't worry about your body. I like it. So me I say, me look like me worry about my body? Do I look like I'm sitting down at home in the evenings hoping that I would miss a car payment, or my computer would crash, or my dog would die, so that I could get lucky with a bout of frustration so I could have wither down and draw down to nothing? Do I look like I was worried about my body? No, because I've been living in this body for several years and I'm okay with it. So me know say for you feel like you're doing us a favor and coming to look us, because nobody is going to look us. But like I tell you something, I've been this size since I was 12 and my hotness only go up with years and pounds. So when you come to look me, please don't think that you need to buy me a Burger King combo. Please don't think that you need to rearrange any of your expectations in order to date me. And please don't think that you're going to frighten me by telling me that I'm sexy. Because my mother and my father have been telling me that I'm beautiful since I was born. Every day that I walk down the road, at least 15 man nearly crash because of how I look good. So please don't do me any favors. If looking me while I'm big is causing complications in your life, you can feel free not to do it. When you see fat people, give them the same treatment where you give MAGA people. Yeah? If you're not going to tell MAGA people all of the something when you like about them, go ahead and tell us all of those things. If it helps, imagine that we're skinny, but there is a shadow around us that is making us look larger than we really are. Maybe then you can desire your mind to the fact that we are just like other people, just a little bigger. You understand? And if you see a fat girl who decides that she's try start lose weight, don't decide that the girl hates her body and that's why she's losing weight. The girl could have just tried to fit. And even if she decides that she don't like her body no more, love out the girl and stop congratulate her. Oh my God, it's so, we've been waiting on you to do this. Really? I don't feel like this is any of your business. People who are look fat people, get an act together and are frustrated, you know. You hear me? Thanks.